faster! This is amazing!
Welcome to the sandy shores! Listen closely. The seagulls are making a special sound today. Look!
To open the apple door, we must make the sound of the ants.
The book says the apple carving is a key, but the ants protect it.
Well, let's use the key then. I'll distract the ants.
A is for apple, ant, and adventure.
B is for bear and balloon.
Give it a big breath.
B is for bridge, balloon, and big bear hug.
Now, look closely at the diagram. To make the C sound, you must raise the back of your tongue like this. Look, the letter D. It makes the D sound. Duh.
D, dog.
Ooh, look, the book says top teeth on the bottom lip, like this.
The Book of Phonics says you need to raise the back of your tongue for the g sound.
Interesting. H makes the sound. All right, team, focus on the book. See the letter I? It makes the sound. Repeat after me.
J is for juggling, and J is for jelly. Now, make the sound for J. J.
J says the letter L makes the OOL sound. See how the tongue touches the top of the mouth. As you can see in the Book of Phonics, the lips press together for N is for newt. O says ostrich. Orange.
P is for pot.
Like queen.
R says S is for sun and snake in the sand.
Shh. He is sleeping.
T is for tiger, and a train on the track.
U is for under and umbrella. But the umbrella won't go up.
Sea vulture. You put your teeth on your lip and make a vibrating sound. W is for walrus, wading in the water.
But where are the waves?
X is in fox and box. Can we unlock the big X?
Y is for yellow and a yak with a yo-yo.
Yeah, yank it up.
Z says
Did you have an extraordinary time? They'll give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more zany adventures. See you soon!